Assalamualaikum, beloved Huzur.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Taufiq Khalid Ahmad.
Have you completed your studies?
Yes, I have, Huzur.
Are you married?
Yes, Huzur. I
Yes.
just married in 2019.
You are married, you have completed your studies, you are doing some job.
Yes, Huzur.
Where are you working?
I'm a French assistant teacher.
Acha, mashallah. Then, what do you want to ask?
Yes, Huzur, I have one question for Huzur. Would Huzur like to give us blessed guidance on how to maintain the bond of marriage, especially for newly married couple?
Acha, mashallah. So, your physique shows, your body shows, the physique you have shows that your wife cooks very good food. So whenever she gives you good food, then you should praise her. Right?
Yes, Huzur.
And
Yes, Huzur.
always think that you have to set example before her. And always think that if the relation between husband and wife are not good, then your children will also suffer. And in this way, you will be destroying the future of the new Ahmadi generation. Right? So, the best way is that the man or the husband should set his good examples in the house and always be polite and kind to your wife and children. Right? And then if you behave like this, then there will not be any trouble in your house. And even your children will also get better training and education. And they will improve their behavior also. Right?
Right, Huzur.
Okay, thank you.
Jazakallah, Huzur.